Looking for a faster way to create killer blog content? Your life just got a whole lot easier. The heyLevi blog writer has had a serious upgrade, and now it's not just faster, it's smarter, matching your tone of voice even more specifically. So whether you're aiming for warm and approachable or sharp and professional, you'll nail the brand voice every single time. And here's another upgrade. The content will now cut straight to the heart of what your readers actually care about. The upgraded feature has a deeper understanding of your ideal customers' challenges, helping you create posts that don't just resonate, they actually solve real problems. So let's dig in. So for this example here, I'm going to create a blog post for my fictitious business, which is an Instagram coach. I'm going to leave the toggle on for brand playbook so it pulls through all of that information. I'm not going to pick a product. I'm going to leave my ideal customer exactly as it is, and I'm even going to leave this open. I'm going to let heyLevi suggest blog titles for me. If there are any keywords or phrases that you're looking to target with this particular content, you can put that in there, but I'm going to leave it blank. And the last thing I'm going to pick is my tone of voice. Now, engaging storyteller is my brand voice, my heyLevi brand voice that is attached to my brand profile, but you could pick any of these or enter anything yourself. Click next. And you will see here it has suggested 10 different blog titles dialed in to my business and my brand playbook and my ideal customer avatar. If you didn't like any of these, you can always click the generate more button. I'm going to pick this one, Mastering Instagram, Tips for Small Business Owners Who Juggle It All. And the last section here is I have to just decide how many sections I'm looking for. So we could go as little as 3, as many as 8. I'm going to pick 5 and then click next, and it will write the whole thing in one go for us. And here is my completed blog post, all in one easy to read format. If I wanted to change any part of this blog, I can literally just highlight any sections and ask the AI to make changes. Once you're done with that, click next. And you can copy the whole blog in one simple click. You can save it or you can export it to a PDF. Happy blogging!